Fishing is an ancient practice that dates back to at least the beginning of the Upper Paleolithic period, about 40,000 years ago. Isotopic analysis of the remains of Tianyuan man, a 40,000-year-old modern human from Eastern Asia, has shown that he regularly consumed freshwater fish. Archaeology features such as shell middens, discarded fish bones, and cave paintings show that seafood was important for survival and consumed in significant quantities. Fishing in Africa is evident very early on in human history. Neanderthals were fishing by about 200,000 BC. People could have developed basketry for fish traps, using spinning and early forms of knitting to make fishing nets, able to catch more fish. During this period, most people lived a hunter-gatherer lifestyle and were, of necessity, constantly on the move. However, where there are early examples of permanent settlements, though not necessarily permanently occupied, such as those at Lepenski Vir, they are almost always associated with fishing as a major source of food.
Food is any substance that provides nutritional support to organisms, typically from plant, animal, or fungal sources, supplying essential nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals needed for energy, growth, and maintaining bodily functions. It is fundamental to life with the process of digestion.
Fishing is the activity of trying to catch fish. Fish are often caught as wildlife from the natural environment, freshwater or marine, but may also be caught from stocked bodies of water, such as ponds, canals, park wetlands, and reservoirs. Fishing techniques include trawling, long lining, jigging, hand gathering, spearing, netting, angling, shooting, and trapping, as well as more destructive and often illegal techniques, such as electrocution, blasting, and poisoning. The term fishing is also used more broadly to include catching aquatic animals other than fish, such as crustaceans, shrimp, lobsters, crabs, cephalopods, starfish, sea urchins. The term is not normally applied to harvesting fish raised in controlled cultivations, fish farming, nor is it normally applied to hunting aquatic mammals, where terms like whaling and sealing are used instead. Fishing has been an important part of human culture since hunter-gatherer times. It is one of the few food production activities that has persisted from prehistory into the modern age, surviving both the Neolithic Revolution and successive industrial revolutions. In addition to fishing for food, people commonly fish as a recreational pastime. Fishing tournaments are held, and caught fish are sometimes kept long-term as preserved or living trophies. When bioblitzes occur, fish are typically caught, identified, and then released. According to the UN FAO statistics, the total number of commercial fishers and fish farmers is estimated to be 39.0 million. Fishing industries and aquaculture provide direct and indirect employment to over 500 million people in developing countries. In 2005, the worldwide per capita consumption of fish captured from wild fisheries was 14.4 kilograms or 32 pounds, with an additional 7.4 kilograms or 16 pounds harvested from fish farms.